Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to use live wallpaper on your iPhone and iPad iOS 16. If your live wallpaper is not working, then I'll show you how can you fix it. So for the first, what you need to do is just simply open settings, scroll it down and tap on wallpaper. And now as you can see guys, here it's showing add new wallpaper option, so you have to tap on this. But as you can see guys, it's not showing here live wallpaper option because Apple has removed this option from iOS 16. But you can still use your favorite wallpaper by tapping on color, and you can also change your color from here. You can customize your wallpaper by changing the color, and you can also put your photo from here like this. And if you want to use live wallpaper, then all you need to do is just simply open any browser in your phone, like I'm opening Google Chrome here. And from here you have to search for live wallpaper for iPhone. Now you have to tap on images. Now as you can see guys, these are the wallpapers for iPhone. So you can easily hold this one and then you have to tap on add to photos. Now this has been saved to your photos. Now let me show you. Open settings, scroll it down, tap on wallpaper, tap on add new wallpaper, tap on photo, and then select the live wallpaper which you have downloaded. Tap on add. Tap on set as a wallpaper. Now it's done from here. Let me show you guys. Here is your live wallpaper. Okay guys, so you can set live wallpaper by following this way. So that's it guys for today's video. The video is all for, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.